students, and welcome to the online teaching and learning process of English. Today we are going to study about the chapter 2, The Adventures of Toto, written by Ruskin Bond. Introduction to the chapter. The Adventures of Toto is an amusing story highlighting the antics of a mischievous monkey, Toto. So, the story describes about Toto, a monkey who was very naughty, and he was bought from a Tonga driver by narrator's grandfather. This shows us that grandfather was very fond of animals. Therefore, he bought this monkey from a Tonga driver, and the story deals with the outcome of interaction between human beings and animals. So there we get to know in the chapter or the story that Toto, the mischievous monkey, will prove to be a pet who will not be suitable for human beings in a particular home. Aims of the chapter. So here in the chapter we get to know about the mischievous monkey Toto, as we have already discussed in the introduction part, and the fact that some animals are not suitable for being pets. Why? Because Toto is very mischievous. Here are some word meanings that you will get to know while you will read the chapter from NCERT book. Beneath means below, and that is a preposition. Wicked is an adjective which means naughty. Delicacy is a noun which means softness. Shred is a verb which means torn pieces. Quadruped is a noun which means a four-legged animal. Prodded is a verb which means to push. Apparent means an adjective, it means visible. And hopping is a verb which means jumping. So do mark these words while you read the chapter from it. Main points of the chapter. Grandfather was fond of animals. So we have already read this in the introduction part that grandfather was very fond of animals, and he also had a private zoo. And there he bought Toto the monkey from a Tonga driver at the sum of ₹5. Tonga driver used to keep that monkey tied to a feeding trough, and as we know that grandfather had his private zoo, so he decided that he would add Toto to his zoo. Toto was a pretty monkey. Why is Toto being called pretty? Because his fingers were quick and he used his tail as his third hand, and his presence was kept a secret from grandmother. Why? Because Toto was very naughty and grandmother did not like animals. So one day what he did, when he was kept in a closet where he torn out author's coat. So when he was closed in a closet, he torn out author's clothes as well as a wallpaper there. Then he was one day taken by grandfather to Saharanpur in a canvas kit bag, and there he was charged. The grandfather was charged a fare for Toto the monkey by the ticket collector. What he did there, when he was there in the canvas kit bag, he could not open himself, so he started jumping on the platform, and that was made an exhibition for all the people there. And now grandfather also took a tortoise from his pocket, asked from the ticket collector if he has to pay some charge for it, but ticket collector said no, because he considered Toto being a dog. Therefore, he charged money for him. Now, when Toto was finally accepted at home by grandmother, he was given a comfortable home in a stable with Nana. But what he did, he kept troubling Nana, the family donkey, in the stable. How? He was kept in the stable, but he hurt Nana by biting its ear with his sharp teeth. And one day what happened, that there was a large bowl that was kept of warm water. He always enjoyed warm water bath in the cold evenings, but he was once about to get himself half boiled. How? There was a large kitchen kettle that was left on the fire to get boiled for tea, and what Toto did, he removed the lid of it to get into it. and when he was about to half boil himself, he started hoping, and grandmother was the one who finally came to save. Now, he continued doing his mischiefs by troubling all the family members. One day, what he did was he held Arthur's aunt's dress and made a hole in it, and once he also ate rice from the large dish which was kept there on the dining table, and he threw down that dish and broke it off because grandmother screamed at him. Now the members of the family found it really difficult to adjust with him. So grandfather also realized that he could not bear the frequent losses of the household things. So he sold Toto back to the Tonga driver at the sum of ₹3. So the learning outcome of the chapter is that some animals are not meant to be pet animals. Like Toto was there, who was very mischievous and he troubled all the family members. So even grandfather, who was very fond of pet animals, he sold it. I hope this chapter is clear to you, and do solve the assignments that are uploaded on ERP. Thank you and have a nice day.